I'm back. Today I am going to give you an update on how my life is going at the moment, as well as a preview of my Scrunchie studio move-in day 1,000,001. Still moving in. I'm laughing, but I will give you some updates. So see you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG & Co, also known as OMG Scrunchie Club. And for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. My name is Lamiel. I am the Scrunchie creator. I have peppermint in my mouth. Jewelry maker, hair accessory designer, hopefully soon apparel, and much, much more. But yeah, welcome to the club. So, update. Life has been life. I have been having some health issues, therefore I have not been posting YouTube videos, but I have been working behind the scenes. So yeah, I've been sick, but not like COVID sick or anything like that. But as soon as I find out what's wrong with me, maybe I'll share an update in a video. Still getting tests done to find out. But let's get into this Scrunchie studio thing here. So as you may have noticed, my wall has expanded. Yes, and it's going to expand even more. So I have some more shelves coming in on tomorrow, so I'll be building some more Scrunchie walls. I'm trying to see if I should do like little dividers. If you look right here, for some of the Scrunchies that I only have like a few of, I was thinking maybe I can make a divider because they're limited edition. Maybe I would say, since I can't get the fabric anymore, they are limited edition Scrunchies. So I was like, hey, to maximize space, make a divider. So I got some foam poster boards from Dollar Tree, some big regular size foam poster boards. And I cut them two different ways. So I can do it vertical, which is this way. Or I can do it diagonal to see which way I can maximize and get the most Scrunchies. I haven't decided yet, but I have a stack of poster boards over to my right that I am going to use to do that with. So right here I have, if anyone's wondering, how many cubes or cubbies do you have? I have two 30-inch cube walls that not 30 cube walls that I ordered earlier in day one of my Scrunchie move-in video. So that was 60, then I just got 16 yesterday. So now I have 76, then I have two more 16 coming in. So 76 plus 32, let's see, 6, 8, 7, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 103, I don't know. Somebody check my math. I'm not a math expert, not claiming to be one, not wanting to be one. But yeah, so I have this cube wall. Right now everything's a mess because yesterday I decided to, hey, let's go in the garage and move everything from where you originally had it to someplace else since I'm trying to expand. So I also have two of these cube walls here. This is actually a shoe cube wall. It came with doors, but I think I'm going to take the doors off because they don't even close good enough for me. But yeah, I have two sections here. I'm thinking about using these for my jewelry, to put the jewelry in that I'm making. So I have to decide or figure out where this is going to go. So this cube wall was purchased from Amazon as well. Oh, sorry, throwing stuff on the floor. So this cube wall was purchased from Amazon as well. And I just need to decide if I'm going to leave the doors on or take them off. What I'm thinking of doing is the earrings that I make and some headbands. I will show you. Let me grab some of those real quick. So for example, I have my headbands in this container here. I have to make some more of these, but make one bucket for each color that I make, or one container. These are clear shoe boxes from Walmart. And I can just stick them in here like this and put the label here. I have to label everything. As soon as I figure out where everything's going to go, I want to get a little bit more organized. So I can do this and just pull out what I need this way. Instead of having them just sitting in there, I feel like I can utilize the space better by putting two containers in here versus having one of something, unless I need to fill it with one of something. So I have another one of these. that I have to put together, and then tomorrow I get the 216 cube walls. So let's move over to this way. You guys, I do apologize for the mess. I'm in the middle of reconstructing, remodeling, whatever you want to call it. So right here, these are my Wal-Mart cubes that I had earlier in day 1 of the move. So I've stated that I wanted to get 2 more of the pink ones, but I can't find any pink ones right now. Walmart only has gray in stock. Yes, this is a mess right now. I have fabric that has been cut, ready to be sewn. I have some African Ankara wax fabric here. Then I have some scrunchies sorted in here by color that need to go on the cube wall, or I may just do something with this. So that is that. I'll do a wide view so that you can see everything as well. Let's turn the camera this way. Yes, it's a mess. I'm sorry. Still moving. This is my desk. Earlier, I had my sewing machine on this wall over here, my sewing shelf. Right now, all of my machines are currently on the floor until I figure out where I'm going to put them. But I have this as my shipping station. It's a little rough right now. So let's see. So I have my shipping supplies. I have my mood board, which I am about to update. I am actually working on my fall scrunchies. I'm excited. So I'm working on my fall scrunchie line, as well as some other things as well. This is like a display rack, so I may have to get rid of that because I have another rack over here that needs to go over here. So I decided at first I was taking up both sides of the garage. Just a smaller portion of the side behind me. Just a smaller portion over here where those containers are. I was sitting my desk over there and I had my shelf with my sewing machine, but I decided, hey, let me just take one full side. So that is what you're looking at today. And I will be showing you some earrings that I've been working on. I have not had time to put them on the website because as I make them, they get sold, so I haven't taken pictures of them. That's what I'm supposed to be doing today, but I'm making a YouTube video, so hopefully that will get done. So here is one of my folding desks. Right here, stuff is on it. And then the other one is right here behind me. I have stuff on that one as well. And I have my folding tables under here. Keep my folding tables under the stairwell. And then I have another folding table here. So all of my tables are foldable or collapsible. So to save space, if I don't need them, I can tuck them away because I am working in a limited space. So let's move along. Behind this pink wall of scrunchies and fabric is a shelf. So I'm going to take you over there. Are shelves, not is a shelf, but there are shelves over there. So we're going to travel behind the scrunchie wall now. So I have to find somewhere to put this. So even tomorrow, this room will look different from today, day 1001. That's what I'm going to call it. I haven't been in this garage for 1,000 days, but I don't know what day it is, so I'm just going to put 1001. So I tried to make like a little walkway or walk through over here so I can go right over here. These poster boards will not be here, but this is the foam poster board that I was talking about that I got from the Dollar Tree to make dividers. So you can walk along here, and right over here are 2 shelves. So let's talk about these shelves. So trying to move the tripod, you guys, I'm sorry. Let's get some more light over here for a second, just a second. I feel like I'm a shadow. I think I had to use my light. I don't have the way this garage is set up, it's kind of wonky. The garage opener has a light on it, but when I turn the light switch on, the light doesn't come on, but the light comes on if I open the door. For some reason, it's weird. But there is no light over here, so I'm trying to use my light, that light, so that I can show you what's going on. So maybe I should angle it this way. There we go. So over here are my shelves. Right in this corner, I have some fabric that's on, let's see, you can't see that, huh? I have some fabric that's on a big roll here. I have some fabric in these boxes. This says chiffon organza lace. I just scribbled something on there. I have satin here, I have stretch, knit, then I have just some fabric down here at the bottom. Also, I have some bows on this shelf, which I have to move because that's for my hair bow business. And over here, I tried to organize little different things into different compartments. For example, I have hole punches here, jewelry, punch earring, card makers. I have glue in some boxes. I have rope, wooden beads, buttons and zippers, snaps and zippers. I have some jewelry in here, some jewelry supplies, jewelry hardware. I have buttons. If you go down, I have a box full of earrings. I just have a bunch of different things over here. And hopefully, eventually, these different things will end up on my website. And if you keep coming along, I have bins. These bins also have fabric in them. Then I have a trash bag. It's not filled with trash. It's filled with my scrunchies. The original scrunchies that I made when I was trying to figure out what size I wanted to do for my scrunchies. And they also have the tags that I no longer use to make my scrunchies with. So that trash bag is filled with scrunchies. Maybe one day I'll just give them away. They're like sample scrunchies or mock scrunchies. So I can come out on this side from here, and then you can see my lovely space. Hey, it's a mess right now, but it's a work in progress. I am proud of how far I've come since yesterday. So my husband hasn't seen this. Yesterday he said he wanted to come to the garage to lift some weights. He goes to the gym, but he didn't have time to go to the gym a second time. And he wanted to come lift weights, and I was like, oh, you can't go in the garage. Not yet. Don't even ask, just don't go. So on this side, I was able to put our elliptical machine over here, a little weight thing here. I don't know what it's called, a weight bench right there. And inversion table, and of course I have to come and organize all of this stuff over here. So the rest of that stuff. But yeah, that is what I'm working with right now. I'm still making scrunchies and making other things, but I just wanted to come on and give you all an update of where I am, because I know it's been almost 3 weeks since I posted a video. And the funny thing is, I have videos already on my hard drive that need to be edited, so I could have just made something and edited it. But I've been trying to catch up on sewing scrunchies. I have a box of scrunchie casings that I have to elastic. Then I have a box of scrunchies that need to be sewn clothes that already have elastic in it. So I didn't feel like setting up the camera for you to see me do the same thing over and over again. So it was just easier, since I was not feeling well, just to come to the garage and do what I need to do. Sometimes I was just working from my room, just sewing stuff. But I want to share with you, I got some new tags today. No, yesterday. I got new tags yesterday from Ribbon by Design. If you are wondering who they are, I have another video about Scrunchie Tags, and that's the company I get my scrunchie tags from. So I'm going to get the tags now, and then I want to share with you some of my new French earrings as well. So I'll be right back. Hopefully this is a big hopefully by Sunday, I will have everything kind of organized, like at least 90%. Right now, I think it's probably like 40%. And I would say that because I am waiting to add some more shelves. I have to figure out, I think I want to remove this shelf from this wall so that I can put my sewing machines up against this wall. And I want to buy a bookcase, a bookshelf, so that I can put my fabric on the bookshelf instead of having it in the bins. I don't know. I don't even know where I would put a bookshelf, but IKEA has some bookshelves that I want to get. So, new labels. Well, kind of the same labels, but this time I decided to take the period out of it, because OMG for me stands for oh my gosh or oh my goodness. So it was kind of like, oh my gosh. That's why I had the period behind each of them. It's like a statement, but I decided to go this route this time without. So as soon as I finish the rest of the ones with the period in them, you will start getting scrunchies that just say OMG without any periods. So another thing that I've been working on behind the scenes is making more fringe earrings. So these are some of the ones that I made this week and last week. Yeah, last week and this week. So they're fringe earrings like I've worn in previous videos. But most of these are denim. So this is like a pink denim earring, and I think it's really cool. I did a 3-tone denim, a medium wash denim. I did a pinstripe or a striped denim. Then I have, this was for Juneteenth or Pan-African. I think it's Pan-African, where they use the orange, not orange, red, yellow, black, and green. I'm looking at the colors and still can't get them right. So yeah, I did these earrings. I did some highlight collection earrings right here with some highlighted lace fabric. Yes. So hopefully after I finish this video, I don't know, I have to go cook, I will have time to put these up. Then I did like some little cheetah print. I have some more cheetah that I'm working on. This is the cheetah print with black, and I have cheetah print with pink. I have white denim earrings. I did rainbow earrings here. I'm going to replace this green with another kind of fabric because I noticed that this green didn't curl like the other green. So I'm going to replace that green. Then I have white denim here, and I have some chiffon earrings as well. So like I said, I've been selling these and I haven't even had time to put them on the website. So that is the tour. I know it was a bad tour, but you can see the progress. Maybe, maybe not. But I was excited to share this with you all because at the end, when you see the end result, hopefully you can see the difference from now until then. As I stated, this is day 1001 of the Scrunchie Studio move-in. Not really day 1001, and I just realized I don't have on earrings. I'll have to put some earrings on for the cover of this photo. So if anyone has any questions, ask. I have some new material, not new material, but new fabric. Well, some material, new fabric that I have to make scrunchies for. I'm not going to do like a scrunchie lunch for them. And I also have some scrunchies that aren't even on the website. I may just give them away to random strangers. I do plan on trying to get in touch with some women's shelters to see if I can donate some scrunchies to little girls and their moms. Also, Children's Hospital. I want to donate stuff to them as well. I forgot to mention, over there where we were when I showed you those gray bins, there are some clear bins next to those. Those are for my hair bow business, the hair bow box. So I just have them merged in on the scrunchie side. That way I can just keep all my stuff on one side of the garage, and we can have whatever we need on that side. I don't have much to say. I want to keep this video short. Just wanted to say hello. I'm still alive. And that's about it. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, you can get your scrunchies from OMG Scrunchie Club, home of the bigger, better scrunchies, where scrunchies just got better. Yes, that's omgscrunchieclub.com or omgandco.com. Yes, that's my commercial voice. But thanks again for watching, supporting, and subscribing, and see you next time. Bye-bye.